Hello friend, Chef Bill here. I'm going to show you how to make some corn fritters. The freshest and the best tasting corn fritters you've ever had. It starts right now.
Who's the chef that you know? It's Chef Bill.
Whether at your local grocery market or at the farmer's market, you want to find the corn that's the freshest. You also want the husks to still be on the corn and be intact. I'm soaking my ears of corn in water. I want to do that for a minimum of half an hour up to about 3 hours before I put them on the grill. This is important because they have to absorb water. They're going to steam in their husks, and this is a critical step. While they're soaking, I'm going to agitate and flip the ears around so they all get equal amounts of water. Now the corn's on the grill. I want to cook them over an indirect flame for about 2 hours. I want the temperature of the grill to be around 200 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. You can cook your corn like this while you're waiting for your grill to heat up. I put in some hickory chips as well to add a smoky flavor to my corn.
Whether late at night or the early morn, I scare off the crows from eating the corn.
If the corn is white, I'll eat my fill. But yellow corn is sweeter still. Only one kind of corn can taste just right. Change your tune or there'll be a fight.
Stop your squawking, you two crows. The freshest is the best. Everyone knows.
Back in the kitchen, I'm going to get the batter ready. 1 cup of all-purpose flour to 1/2 cup of corn flour. I like corn flour because it gives it that corn taste. Put that in my KitchenAid mixer. Now 2 eggs in. I'm going to use half and half for this recipe. I'm going to take 1 cup, put it in the mixer. Throw in a teaspoon of sugar. I just want to mix it so that the batter is incorporated, and then I'm going to set it aside for later. These corn fritters are going to be a great accompaniment to anything you put on the grill, like hamburgers or hot dogs. In fact, check out my hamburgers and hot dogs. So how do you know when the corn's ready? Just feel them. If they feel soft, then they're ready to go. Back in the kitchen, corn's off the grill. Peel the husk. You have the sweetest, smokiest, freshest corn you could possibly imagine. Now, take that corn, put it in the batter that we made and had set aside. Mix it for a few seconds. Now 3 green onions. Chop them coarsely. They're going to add a lot of flavor and texture to our corn fritter batter. When you're done chopping them up, throw them in the batter and mix again. During the final mix, this is a good time to add some flour if you feel your batter is too soft. You want it to be the consistency of a thick pancake batter. I'm putting my heavy cast iron pan on a high flame. I'm going to put corn oil, again for flavor, in the pan, about a 1/2 inch. So this is a lot of oil, but we're not deep frying, we're still frying. Get the oil between 325 and 350 Fahrenheit. Okay, we're ready to put in our fritters. Using a spoon and a knife, I carefully slide in the batter to make fritters. Now, they can be a little tricky to handle, but I had no problem with sticking or moving my fritters around the pan. When they're golden brown on the bottom, flip them over carefully. Now they're done on the other side. Gently lift them out of the pan and let them drain on a couple of paper towels. The next step is, what are we going to put on our corn fritters? Folks put all kinds of stuff on their corn fritters. They put on butter or sour cream, salsa, pico de gallo, horseradish, mayonnaise, buttercream, cream cheese. No matter what you put on it, corn fritters are about happiness. Happiness and love. Everybody loves corn. You show me someone who doesn't love corn, I'll show you someone that... You tell me you don't like corn? Get out of here. Get on, get out of here.
If you love somebody, you should make them a corn fritter. Simple as that. Look, it don't matter what you put on your corn, just so long as you have some corn and you're happy. This is America. We have the right to put on whatever we want to put on our corn fritters. Someone tell me that I can't put ketchup and mayonnaise on my corn fritters, I'll tell you got a problem. Me.
Back in the kitchen, the corn fritters are plated up. Sour cream goes on top. And some green onion. And there you have it. Fresh corn fritters.
Well, that's corn fritters. Remember to like or subscribe, and until next time, happy cooking from Chef Bill.